In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import data into HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a file from your computer into HubSpot's documents area so your team can access it, share it with prospects, and keep everything organized in one place. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account and that you have permission to access the sales tools. It also helps to have your file ready on your computer. Common formats like PDF, PowerPoint, and Word tend to work best, and keeping file names clear and descriptive will save you time later. From your HubSpot dashboard, start by heading to the main navigation bar at the top and selecting Sales. This takes you into the sales workspace where you manage collateral, track activity, and collaborate with your team. Once you're there, choose Documents. The Documents page is your central library for sales materials. Think pitch decks, one-pagers, case studies, and proposals, so it's the ideal place to store content you plan to send or reference. On the Documents page, look for the option to upload document. It's typically positioned prominently, often toward the upper right. Click it to start the upload process. You'll be asked where the file should come from. Select your computer. This opens your system's file picker so you can navigate to the exact file you want to bring into HubSpot. Choose your file and confirm. You should see an upload indicator, and once it completes, your document will appear in the list. A few quick tips while that's processing. Keep your files under any size limits set by your account. If the file is large, consider compressing it to speed up upload and sharing. For sensitive content, double check that it's appropriate to store and share, and consult your company's compliance guidelines if needed. Consistent naming, like including the product name and version in the file name, makes searching much easier for everyone on your team. After the upload finishes, you'll see the document in your library ready to use. From here, you can preview it, and depending on your permissions and settings, you can share it with prospects and track engagement, which can be incredibly helpful for sales follow-up. If you don't see the sales menu or the documents option, you may need different permissions from your admin. And if an upload stalls, try refreshing the page, checking your connection, or attempting the upload in another browser. That's all it takes. Go to Sales, open Documents, click Upload Document, and choose your computer. With your file now in HubSpot, your team is one step closer to working from a single organized source of truth.